Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've recently had some issues with my Whirlpool refrigerator, specifically with this LED light that's just been going crazy and needs to be switched out for a new one. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to do that on my own for a very cheap cost. The first thing you want to do is find your model number. This one is WRX735SDHZ03. And then go on Amazon and use that model number to find a replacement LED light. This one that I found on Amazon was actually $100 cheaper than the same LED light replacement was on the Whirlpool website. I'll put a link in the description below. I first need to unlock my refrigerator feet so I can roll it out from against the wall and unplug it. If you don't know how to do this, I'll link in a video of me showing you how to do this in the top of the screen right now. After unlocking the feet of my refrigerator, I can roll it out from against my wall and get behind my refrigerator to unplug it. And now I can actually work on my LED light in a safe way. After unplugging my refrigerator, I came in here and just took out the items from the top shelf of my refrigerator and then actually removed the top shelves as well, just to give myself some more room to work in here to get access to this LED light. And I just put these off to the side while I was working. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver and just remove this screw that's in the back of this LED light's casing or housing. And after I do that, I should be able to remove the protective cover from this LED light. As you can see here, it's just kind of tabbed. It snaps in there with some tabs, so you can pull this off. Once that cover's off, I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and push it up and manipulate this tab in the front while also pulling down the front with my other hand. This part was a delicate balance of pushing and pulling hard enough to actually get it to come off without breaking the LED light. Once you get in there, there's one wire connection that's a pretty easy snap off or unclip off. And then there's a black wire that runs to the front that's just kind of sitting in there that you just pull out, and it's that easy. There are two tabs in the back that you can remove, and now you have your old LED light off. I'm taking my new LED light and placing those two tabs in the back first, and then I'm going to connect or attach my two wire connections the same way on my new LED light. And again, these are super easy, no electrical experience needed. And then just push up and those tabs will snap into place. The replacement light did not have a Phillips head screw for the back of it, so I think that they deemed that that part was unnecessary. So you just push it up until it clips in place. Super easy. Make sure you plug your refrigerator back in. Make sure you lock your refrigerator wheels again. And as you can see, my new LED light is working great. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button. And I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.